What if I told you you never had to punish your child again? Not because there weren't any consequences, but because your child made their own choice. That's not permissive parenting. That's God's design from the beginning. Now, if you go to Kings chapter 9, God makes a pre-frame with King Solomon. If you will follow me with integrity and godliness as David your father did, obeying all my commands, decrees, and regulations, then I will establish the throne for your destiny over Israel forever. But if you or your descendants abandon me and disobey the commands and decrees I have given you, and if you serve and worship other gods, then I will uproot Israel from this land that I have given them. I will reject this temple that I have made holy to honor my name. I will make Israel an object of mockery and ridicule among the nations. What that's called is a pre-frame from God to King Solomon. And that's all you need to do if you want to be a godly parent who is loving and kind and patient and guiding and supportive and training your children up in the way they should go. The truth is they want to know about cause and effect. You see, if you're always coming in with the rod of punishment and you're taking things away, or you try to control their every move, they're going to see you as their enemy. So in Kings chapter 9, God lays out a plan for King Solomon. He doesn't wait for him to fail and then come in as a reaction and punish him. And you can do the same thing for dinner tonight. If you complete your homework before dinner tonight, you can choose to have the Wi-Fi turned on. If you choose to not do your homework, you're choosing to give that privilege away. Now you set it up as a pre-frame. You're not coming in as the enemy and taking it away from your child. They're choosing their own destiny. And when you know the Hebrew word alpi darko, this means that we are to train our children up and guide them in his or her own way. Every child being a unique genius made in God's image. So in a sense, your child is a reflection of God. They want to be like you, be seen by you. They want to be empowered by you, and they need you to show them every expectation clearly written down and presented. When you can lay out the plan and just walk away, there's no nagging, there's no reminding, there's no fighting, there's no power struggles. Your child will feel like they're in control of their life and their results. You make the decision. They make the choice whether Wi-Fi shows up or not. This is what you call being diligent with the rod of discipline. You are setting the stage, the pre-frame. You're making it clear your child can understand, and you can be loving and kind and supportive just like God. That is not punishment. That's wisdom. That's Solomon's pre-frame. That's vision. Proverbs 29:18, where there is no vision, the people perish. Another example could be you decide that there's going to be vegetables at dinner tonight, but the child can choose. The first time I ever did that with my kids, do you want peas, corn, or carrots for dinner tonight? And they all said, well, can we have carrots, but uncooked so we can dip them in the ranch dressing? And I was completely shocked. Your pre-frame is the vision, and without it, your children are just running blind, completely dependent on your next move when they need to have a sense of autonomy if they're going to be healthy body, mind, and soul. Your child says, well, I don't want to go to school today. You say, okay, you can stay home, but staying home means I'm not well enough for screen time, video games, friend time. We're going to rest in bed and drink water and take care of that body today. You'll see how fast they get up and head out the door to school. That's not punishment. That's not you coming in as the staff sergeant or the warden. That's natural consequences, and they get to make the good choice. Now, if we go to Deuteronomy chapter 30, verse 19, it says, today I have given you the choice between life and death, between blessings and curses. You see, God always made choices. If this is making sense to you, click like on our video. Please subscribe. We have a goal of 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We would really appreciate it. And share a comment. What are your thoughts? What are your takeaways? Do you agree with this message? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments below. Doesn't it make sense that when we remove punishment, but we add the pre-frame, we add a choice that the child can make, that it instills their dignity? They don't see you as the bad guy. They have love for you because you told them the truth. in advance. That is not permissive parenting. That is the parent still making the decision in advance, the child being able to make their own choice. That's God's design. That's parent in love. For those of you that are loving this series, Parent in Love is going to be released in the middle of July. If you'd like to be on the wait list for this amazing case for raising champions in the way that God actually intended, make sure to let me know in the comments below and click over here to watch my last video. I'm Bonnie Leota, and until we meet again, here's to your parenting success.